Beginner's mindfulness practice, breath awareness meditation. Hello, I'm Chris Kelly. Welcome to this guided meditation. In it, you will learn how to deepen inner peace and calm by using your breath as a guide. We will find greater happiness and joy by using meditation in our lives. Are you ready to give it a try? We're going to learn how to take our seat in meditation practice. You'll want to find a cushion or a blanket, something to sit on, or of course, a chair. Look for a pillow, a bolster, or even a block to sit on so that your hips are higher than the knees. This helps with circulation. You can take this simple, easy pose with your legs crossed, or take your knees out from underneath of you with your legs to the sides. This is a great posture if you have any knee issues or if sitting in that cross-legged position is a little tough for you. Your other option is to sit in a chair. Make sure that your feet are planted firmly on the ground, that you're nicely upright, that the spine is strong and straight, that the head is over the shoulders are over the hips. And so the idea is that we want to be comfortable and relaxed, not too tight, not too loose. Next, we begin working with the body and the sensations that come in while we're sitting in meditation. I want you to take your chin and slightly tuck it down towards the floor. Let your gaze be soft, looking about 4 to 5 feet in front of you, not focusing on anything, or your eyes can be closed if that feels better in your body. Let the jaw relax. During meditation, you may experience different sensations arising in the body. You may feel peace and at ease. You may feel tension or tightness in the body, especially if you're not used to sitting in a certain position. You may suddenly feel an itch that needs to be scratched. Just notice it, allow it. Begin to feel into your body and let it relax. Paying attention. Sounds may arise like the ticking of a clock that suddenly gets your attention, or the birds are chirping outside. It's all a part of your meditation. Let it be, allow it in. And we'll begin a body scan. So as you breathe normally, imagine the breath is coming in from the crown of your head and moving through the skull, down through the neck. Allow that breath to move through the shoulders and relax a little bit more. Taking your next breath in, moving the breath down the arms to the fingers, maybe even giving the fingers a little wiggle and then returning them down. Feel the next breath coming down the torso, through the belly area. Simply being and releasing, calm and relaxed. Feel your next breath coming in and moving down the body through the legs, the thighs, down through the ankles and the feet. Noticing any areas of tension, and see if you can release in. And now begin to connect with your breath. Simply breathing in and breathing out. Allow the breath to come in through the nose and out through the nose. Feeling that cool sensation as the breath draws in. Feeling that warm sensation when the breath comes out. Allowing yourself to be at ease, setting your focus on your breath. Your body is calm, your body is relaxed, your body is at ease. Focusing in on the breath, coming in and going out. Allowing that breath to be your anchor. Breathing in and breathing out. Steadying the mind. Being here, right now. Thoughts will come and thoughts will go. As we focus on our breath, we begin to notice the active mind. The mind's job is to think, to plan, to think about the past, to think about funny adventures that you might have been on. The mind wants to continue to process. But in this moment, we are taking time to be here, to let the thoughts fall away. You can imagine your thoughts as clouds in the sky and let them drift past, coming back to your breath over and over again, breathing in and breathing out, giving yourself the permission to be here right now without any worries, without any cares, just simply focusing on the breath. If that becomes difficult, you can try labeling the thoughts, planning, thinking, worrying. Whatever arises, make friends with the thoughts and let them drift away. We're not trying to suppress the thoughts. Be gentle with yourself if the thinking mind just takes over, coming back again and again to your breath. My mentor, Jack Kornfield, always says with a laugh, when a thought comes in, greet it like an old friend. Hello, old friend. I see you've come to visit again. Well, I'm sitting here right now. I'm meditating. I'm breathing. I will talk to you later. And let the thoughts float away. Simply breathing and being. Thank you for joining me on this breath awareness meditation, and I hope you'll try this out maybe 5-10 minutes a day. You'll be so happy, your mind will be clear, and you'll feel calm and at ease and hopefully joyful. Thank you for joining me.